Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. How to choose the best coffee machines. A variety of coffee machines exist to help you prepare and serve your favorite coffee. You can choose from a pod coffee maker, an automatic espresso machine, a drip coffee maker, or a filtered coffee maker. Before you make your selection, look at each model's features and benefits to help you choose the best coffee machine. Pod coffee makers are convenient machines that allow you to enjoy a fresh cup of Java whenever you want it. They use tiny coffee pods inserted into the machine, requiring minimal effort. There are also several advantages of semi-automatic espresso machines, as they give you complete control over the shots you create, including the pre-infusion time, size, and amount of water. Lastly, drip coffee makers are a convenient way to prepare a fresh pot of coffee in the morning, as they only require water and ground coffee. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.